Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if the call recording feature is missing on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest available version. Then here in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this problem if the call recording feature is not showing up on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest available version. So now let's get started without wasting any time. So first of all, here you'll need to open settings on your iPhone device, then scroll down, then tap on general. Then here you need to tap on general, then scroll down, then tap on soft update, and make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. So after that, here you'll need to again open settings and scroll down, then again tap on general, then scroll down, then here you'll have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset all settings. So after that, here you need to enter your iPhone password, then here you will have to go back, again open settings on your iPhone device. Then here you'll have to scroll down all the way, then tap on apps. So after that, you will see this type of interface here. You will need to scroll down, and here you will have to search for a phone app. So here you will have to tap on phone. So after that, you will see this type of interface here. You need to scroll down, and here you can see that here is the option of call recording. Here tap on this, then here you can disable this and enable this from here. So in this way, you can easily fix this problem. If you're having this problem, the call recording feature is not showing up on your iPhone device after updating your iPhone device to the latest available version. So this is the way through which you can do that. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.